Did you know captions serve multiple purposes for your video? First off, they make your content more accessible to a broader range of audiences. And second, they can make your videos more engaging and fun to watch. So let's take a look at ways that you can spice up your captions with animations inside Minvo. So once we get in Minvo, so to open up caption settings, we can either click on the caption itself, and that'll pull up our list, or if we come to the side here, we can click on the option that says captions. I covered basic caption settings in a previous video, so if you want to check that out, I'll leave a link down in the description of this video. But for the sake of this video, we're just going to focus on the animation side of the captions. So on this first screen called colors, this is where we're going to control the color of the animations happening on the screen. So in the colors tab, we have animation colors, and we have active word color, and we have word background color. So active word color is going to be when that word is said, that is the color of that word. So right now it's not set to anything. So if we come in here and we change this to say red, now I can see the word show is being said right now on screen. Now it's changing that word specifically to red. And if we play through this,
if you want my honest opinion, show notes.
You see as that word is being said, it changes color. Additionally, we have this word background color. So I already have this set to blue, but we could say make this yellow. And now when that word is being said, that's the background color of that specific word. Additionally, you can animate that background color for the word as it's being said with these three options here. So we have none, we have pop. We'll see what that looks like.
One of the most underrated pieces of content in the
So you can kind of see when that background color comes in, it kind of pops in. And then we also have fade in.
podcasting industry. SEO was not talked.
Once again, you can see that background color is a faded yellow, and then as it's being said, it kind of comes into full color. So that's for specific word color and animations. But we can actually animate the entire set of captions that show up on screen at once. So we'll come up to the top of our little captions menu and click animation. And I can see we have several different settings and options in here. So animate in is going to be when the words come on the screen. So let's take a look at a couple of these. So pop animation. You can see as that block of text comes on screen, it just pops in. Then we have slide. Now you see the text sliding in, and then we have fade. And the words just kind of fade in from the back. I'm going to set this back to none, and then let's look at the animation during. So while the animation is playing and the caption is showing on screen, we can have different animations as well. So we're going to hit play again, and we can see nothing is happening. Then when we click rotate, captions actually rotate as each caption block is being put on screen. Then we have the float option, which you can see your captions are just kind of floating around on the screen as the different caption blocks are coming up on screen. And lastly, we can show how the words actually show up on screen. Go back to the beginning and hit play again. So this is none, bigger font. So as that word is being said, the font gets bigger. We have highlight word. So you can see that the words are transparent, but not fully in color yet until they are said. And once they're said, they come in full color. And we also have the hide word option, which just means the words aren't showing at all until they're spoken. So now putting that all together and combining some of these settings, we get something that looks like this.
Now let's talk about one of the reasons why people aren't even finding your show. And that could be because of your show notes.
So that's caption animations. And I'm curious, are you going to use caption animations in your videos? Let me know down in the comments. And like this video if you found it helpful. And don't forget to subscribe for more Minvo tips and tricks.